Bitcoin bounces back above $43,000 after strong U.S. retail sales data prompts brief price dip. Here's why BTC could soon hit fresh yearly highs. Disclosure: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. By using this website, you agree to our terms and conditions. We may utilize affiliate links within our content and receive commission. Fetch priority equals high decoding equals async class equals align on size vol WP image 140,686 src equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94. JPG alt equals Bitcoin with equals 1018 height equals 1008 src set equals https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94. JPG 1018 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94 300x187. JPG 300 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94 150x149. JPG 150 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94 768 760. JPG 768 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94 64 64. JPG 64 https://cryptonews.com/WP content/upload/2023/12/1,702,209,648 screenshot 94 96 96. JPG 96 sizes equals max width 1018px 100 VW 1018px. Stronger than expected U.S. November retail sales data released earlier on Thursday triggered a sudden near $1,500 drop in the Bitcoin BTC price from just under $43,000 to around $41,500. Seemingly, the data, which showed an unexpected leap in headline and core retail sales last month, triggered some algorithmic selling, perhaps a reflection of fears that the strong data might result in the markets paring back on recent bets that the Fed will start cutting interest rates next year. But the BTC price has since recovered rapidly back to the north of the $43,000 level, with the broader market not having interpreted the latest U.S. data in this way whatsoever. On the contrary, U.S. stock prices continue to pump on Thursday while U.S. government bond yields and the U.S. dollar index DXY continue to plunge as investors continue to price in anticipation that a Fed rate cutting cycle is set to start within a few months of the start of 2024. The Fed announced monetary policy on Wednesday, keeping interest rates unchanged at 5% as expected. But the U.S. central bank's updated economic and interest rate projections forecast continued easing in inflation next year and 3 interest rate cuts, hence the recent moves being seen across the macro landscape. The S&P 500 just hit highs for the year in the 4,700 seconds and is only a whisker off of early 2022's record highs. The 10-year U.S. government bond yield is down nearly 30 bps in 2 days and just hit its lowest level since July under 0%, and the DXY just tumbled to multi-month lows under 102. Moves in traditional asset classes reflect a market that is betting on easier monetary policy from the Fed, which means lower interest rates and more liquidity, a combination that has historically been very bullish for Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin has been able to mount such a fast recovery from intraday lows. Here's why BTC could soon hit fresh yearly highs. Despite the rapid intraday turnaround, the BTC price is still more than 3% below the yearly highs of near $45,000 it hit earlier this month. Various BTC future market indicators, such as the open interest-weighted funding rate paid by traders taking out leverage positions, showed that in the previous run higher to yearly highs, leverage in the market had become excessive on a short-term basis. Therefore, it wasn't too surprising to see leverage wash out that brought prices back lower again at the start of this week. But Bitcoin's fundamentals remain strongly in favor of fresh upside. The aforementioned macro backdrop is a strong tailwind right now, while Bitcoin is also likely to continue benefiting from themes such as optimism about institutional adoption with spot Bitcoin ETFs coming in early 2024, the early 2024 halving of the BTC issuance rate, and the potential for the election of a more pro-Bitcoin president in the US next year. Chart analysis is also sending strong bullish signals. Recent, the BTC price found strong support at its 21 DMA and the psychologically important $40,000 level, a sign that dip buying appetite in the market remains strong. Enter your email for our free daily newsletter, a quick 3-minute read about today's crypto news. Sign up. The site is protected by reCAPTCHA and the Google privacy policy in terms of service supply. IMG SRC equals https://simg.co/p/ml300 JPEG alt equals image class equals img ID equals newsletter pop-up img